my day one niggas and we in the club screaming no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no new. DJ Khaled. Still here with my day one niggas, so you hear me say no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no new. I still ride with my day one niggas, I don't really need no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no new. I stay down from day one, so I say fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. Fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. One more time, fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. Fuck all y'all niggas, stay down from day one. AK on my nightstand, right next to that Bible. But I swear with these 50 shots, I'll shoot it out with 5-0. Pockets getting too fat, no weight watch, no lipo. Money talks, bullshit walks on a motherfucking tightrope. And I make that pussy tap out, I knock that pussy out cold. Nigga, you get beat the crap out, but that's just how the dice roll. These hoes want that hose pipe, so I give all these hoes pipe. She get on that dick and stay on all night like porch lights. Let's do it, fuck talking, we out here, we ballin'. And I'm spraying at these rusty niggas like WD-40. We fucked up, we trucked up, no ifs, ands, or but fucks. Bitch niggas go behind your back like nunchucks, and that's fucked up. But my hoes down, my cups up, my niggas down for whatever. These bitches think but tell them hoes I pluck feathers, some tune shit, young tune shit.
Hey guys, so guess what? I haven't vlogged in a long time, but we're in Vegas. I'm here with Nikkei. So, yeah, the whole crew's here. The whole crew's coming for Christine and Julie's birthday. Oh my gosh, I miss talking to you guys. I haven't vlogged in like over a month or something. But I'm honey. Ready? So yeah, we just landed. Nikkei waited for me as a good friend. Thanks, Nikkei. So we're on our way to our airport. No, this way. On our way to the hotel. Why does it get so dark? It's dark outside. Huh? It's dark. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, no, it's like 7:30 or something. Yeah, this is outside. It has to be. It's dark.
What the hell?
Yeah.
It's not dark. We're just in a dark area.
Oh my god.
It's hot as hell.
Oh my god. Okay. It's hot. It's like coming to Nigeria. We have to get in a taxi line.
Good old taxi line. I should have
Yeah.
waited in line.
Hope you guys can see me. Anyway, we're staying at the MGM Grand Hotel. Julie hooked us up. Can't wait to see our place. Julie was the first here, and then me and Nikkei are next. Everybody else is coming later tonight and tomorrow.
It is literally.
Oh my god, I feel like, you know when you like, when you land in Nigeria,
Yeah, like,
and that waft of heat comes in your, oh, my skin is crawling. But it's, yeah, it's really
What time is it? Like 7 o'clock?
Ma'am, you want to take a picture of you?
Oh no, I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you though. Anyway, so we're in a taxi line, so we'll see you guys when we get to our hotel.
That.
Don't push anything.
Don't push any of that stuff.
That's help. That means we're in trouble. We don't want everybody
It's just
to
for
get
emergency.
because we're not.
Means that you call the fireman if you get stuck.
Yeah. However,
Exactly.
you call everybody to come tell us how to get out of here
All right.
or help us.
This isn't us. This is these people. They gotta get off. So.
It's not us, Dad. This is not us.
I'm not going.
It's not us, Daddy.
Oh wait, we're right here? Oh my god.
And this is my friend Iffy. Like we're
Okay.
like family and shit. Guys, the alcohol is in the fridge.
Wait, I need more lights.
Yes.
We're
Get
so
it.
official. Why
Yeah,
is your
right
head wet?
Because I had to put my curling.
Amber,
Oh my! So we have a blender.
We have 2 blenders. So make sure you make drinks for me too.
Yeah, we're getting food delivered.
Guys,
Yeah, we're getting our food
Why is your
delivered.
hair wet?
because I put curling.
Oh my
shit. And I took a
goodness.
shower. And I took a shower. Bye, girl.
Oh my God! Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Nike, come here, Nike.
Oh my God! I don't want to drop my camera. I'm beyond excited. Look at this view, Nike.
Oh, wait, let me run now. We sit up.
No, I already no. Seriously, it is so high.
Don't come out here. Oh, I'm already kind of.
Hell no.
Yes, bitches,
Okay,
we're here.
You get drunk.
I know.
We have to go to Lily's. We have to go to Diablo's. We have to go to the Juice.
The bus?
Too.
There's no bus.
Oh, there's no bus.
I don't know why people keep saying there's a
I know.
bus.
People keep saying the
There's a
party
bus.
What? But who's?
There's
I
no
didn't
party
say a
bus.
bus.
There's no party bus.
Who
Yeah.
said a bus?
I think T
Bitches on
keeps
the-
saying.
What?
T and Jay keep thinking it's a party
Bitches on the
bus.
chat
There's
keep
no
saying
party bus.
Okay.
Moving on. So let's go get some alcohol.
Wait, I need shots.
Oh, let Julie. Oh yeah. Before you enter, you were supposed to take shots. Go back out so I can give you your
I'm
cup.
not taking shots.
I'm taking the damn shots.
Iffy. If you can't stay here, if you can't, if you
No,
don't
I
take shots.
Be happy I'm here. I almost didn't come.
What? Why would that be?
Because I don't feel good.
At all.
Did you take ibuprofen?
Not come because you don't feel good, bitch.
No, I was in my bed moaning. Okay.
Take an ibuprofen.
Iffy, your cramps are not worse than mine, so just be thankful that you have a
Oh my gosh. Glad it's. Oh, I have to charge my phone. Yeah, but this is our hotel. Let me give a little tour. So this is the front door. This is the foyer. And then here's bathroom number 1. And then this is one room. And then this is the next room in here. And it's the same thing. So yeah. But yeah, so who's coming next? Jen is coming next, and then Christine. And then tomorrow T's coming.
Calm down.
Iffy, did you take ibuprofen? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'll feel better.
Bitch, you gotta be okay, cause
We are so official. We're gonna,
I
tomorrow
need you
morning,
to be okay.
our breakfast is smoothies with vodka.
Yeah.
We bought like smoothie stuff. They're delivering our
Wait, where did you
tomorrow.
get?
Yeah, delivering
Are
our
you guys-
groceries tomorrow.
Go to shop.
Wait, did you bring it?
What?
The clothes, the package. You didn't bring it?
I brought it.
Like, bitch, let me take you out.
Here, let me show
I have to
you.
try it on.
You could go on a shot.
No.
You want a shot, Amber?
I have a drink, not a shot.
Okay, I'll make you a drink.
No, it's okay. Like no,
No, you
when we
have to
go
take
out,
one
when we
shot.
go out to get our drink specials on drink.
Okay, we can't go on until like 11:30 because I'm not 21 yet. They almost didn't let me like enter the. They were like, "Do you have anybody that's 21 or over?" I was like, "Really?"
Like,
Wait, what do you mean 11:30?
Tomorrow.
What do you mean
That's
11:30?
so annoying.
11:30. That's when like then we go out and then I can show my ID.
Oh,
and go
okay.
trip.
I'm
I'll be
21
not being-
somewhere.
Me not being 21, I'll be like, it's wet in here, but I will be.
It's wet. Who took a shower?
Oh, I used the shoes in the shower.
Oh, who the fuck is that?
I cleaned it out.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
This is fear.
Wait, where's the toilets at?
Wait, where the? Oh, is it here? The WC.
Oh.
So I can be in the bathroom.
Shitting, and I can be in the shower, taking a shower. Oh my god, this is so economical.
Guys.
Yeah.
Where's Mika? Auntie Mika! Iffy, I will kick you out. I'll throw you off this roof.
This is gonna be the raw, unedited footage that will not be on
Iffy,
any major networks.
Don't sue me.
I only have 2 bathing suits, so I don't know if I can.
Dude, I should have told you to go to PacSun.
How much were they?
Can you stop filming me and I'll let you go. I'll let you know.
We went to get food. We're back.
Get it twisted. Bow down, bitches.
Are we going out?
Oh, you're
Yes,
filming?
we're leaving here.
Oh wait, we have like free drinks.
Yeah, we're going to
at the
Diablo's.
Monte Carlo.
Oh, we do?
Oh yes, $20, and it's open bar or something.
Until what time?
4:30 or whatever.
Bitch, let's turn. Let's go. Let me see.
I don't know if I've been hella late, so like back that we're 12 o'clock still.
I had a little catnip, guys.
Okay. Where are we putting our alcohol?
We're feeling.
We had a little
Where are
catnip. You traveling all day.
They're grandmas. They're fucking geriatric ass
We
hoes.
needed to
Hey.
get sleep in order to be able
I
to
have had
turn
my
up
party
the
days.
rest-
They have to go
I've
to
lived
shots.
for how many years?
We've been at it for a
I'm
long
tired.
time.
I'm tired.
Bitch, you didn't ombre your hair to come here and lay in this bed. Julie was straight up like drooling. She's a savage.
Julie was the one that fell asleep first. Then BDK said, "Okay, let's go." Psst, come on.
Yeah, like, all right, fine.
Upload your
Hey! Me?
goon shit, right?
I thought that was the thing, guys.
Oh shit, I was taking a picture.
So let me make Instagram.
Everyone's dressed. Birthday girl number 1.
And an official 3rd year in med school, passing my boards. Get with it. Get gone. 21 and
Birthday
3rd
girl
year.
number 2.
Wait, is birthday girl number 1?
I mean, I'm not official like that, but I'm about to graduate my accounting and finance degree, so get my CPA, bust it out with my family.
Wait, how do we
feel
wait.
familiar.
Good morning. Guys, this is what death looks like in the morning. And this is what you look like when you were go to sleep in what you went out in last night. Yes. And this is what your voice sounds like when you're on the verge of death. Happy birthday, Julie! It's Julie's birthday, everybody. Happy birthday, Julie. Happy birthday, Julie.
Leave me alone.
Julie. Julie, do you have clothes on? No. I'm not editing this one out. Julie, it's your birthday, and you have a surprise from Wally on Facebook. Julie. It's your birthday.
Okay, I'm up.
This is what death looks like in the morning too, guys. Stop it. And she wore her dress too to bed, just like me. Yeah, woo! We're on the same team. Where's your cousin at?
Come
Where's
to the hotel.
Amber at? Okay. Nika's still sleeping.
Y'all get?
Ow. PH. This is gorgeous. I don't want to drop my camera.
And we can like, I was throwing pickles off the edge last night.
You were?
I threw pickles off here.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness.
You can see the pool. Isn't it like the ponds?
Oh my gosh, you're so right. Wait, where's the Wet Republic?
I don't think it's on this side.
That's the Palm pool.
Because the MGM's over here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because isn't it? Oh, that's Aria? No.
Wait, is this MGM right here?
No, that's another tower. Hello?
That's of the MGM, right?
No, of this building, this suite. There's suite.
Okay. Okay.
Have you taken your test?
My hair.
How was it?
It's really hot. Everybody here, like 100 and something degrees. Wait, isn't that where we went last night? Yeah. So we're going to go to a pool party at Wet Republic here, and yeah. Mirror, and see. It's almost time for breakfast. Nikki and I ordered special groceries to get delivered to our penthouse, so we're just waiting for that. Grocery delivery service is actually pretty convenient. But oh yeah, so Nikki and I are on our special diet, so we have to have our fruits, oatmeal, and veggies. We're gonna stick to our diet on this trip, even though it's kind of hard. Last night I had watermelon and I had a salad for dinner. Nikki had a salad, and we're not gonna give in to our. So I've been doing a detox for 1 whole week so far, and it actually makes me feel pretty good. Ooh, I have a lot of lashes. And but my cheat days are the weekend, so we go out to dinner. That's your surprise. We go out to dinner tonight. Then we can break our diet. So yeah, and I'll talk to you guys later because I need to take a shower and freshen up and not feel. Oh, there's a mirror right here. Not feel gross and everything. But yeah. Ooh, going to the pool party today. Okay. Talk to you later. Hey guys, so we're back from the beach, the pool party, and we changed, and now we're gonna go out to walk the strip, and also we're gonna go out to a surprise dinner for Julie and Christy. They don't know, so we're trying to get them to cooperate with time right now. So this is my outfit for right now. And yeah, I got this dress from actually Charlotte Russe for $15. And I usually don't like Charlotte Russe clothes because I don't like the material, but this dress was actually pretty good. So let me just stop.
Alright, so you're gonna come through?
Julie is dressed.
We're about to go walk.
Jen is dressed. Amber is dressed. Can you put your hair? Christine is dressed.
Stuff like that.
T is dressed. T is here. I don't know if I vlogged with you.
Came through, that saw me. Something that's on me for real. Illest nigga alive. Illest nigga. I'm gonna take a shot of tequila. Yeah, let's do a shot.
Are you done, Amber, in there?
I need a clip. Somebody, can somebody have a
I
clip?
can get you bobby pins from Nikkei. Nikkei, you're okay with some bobby pins?
Sure. I don't know where they are. Do you?
No, why would I know where your stuff is?
Hey, your bride price has gone up.
Oh, you guys are making me.
Jen, check the bathroom.
I do? Yeah, that wasn't what I was trying to do. What'd you say?
Check the bathroom. I was like, why is she standing so close to
Why
me?
you on my shit?
I'm looking for your bobby pins.
I think they're over
Hey,
there.
where is it at?
Oh, you're fucking useless, G. You might
Hi.
Real shit. Real nigga shit. Call someone up when you're shitting because we got a phone in our bathroom.
In shit.
Indoor phone, outdoor phone. We got a TV in our bathroom. We can watch Sports Center if we're into sports. Sorry.
Yeah, it's gonna make me have no footage. I don't even know if I have footage.
You really don't.
I don't even know.
That's why they say what happens.
Are y'all ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah. Guys, the amount of tequila I've consumed in this weekend is not healthy, and I'm not as drunk as I need to be.
Do I still look
Everyone have the room key?
Do I still look intoxicated?
Y'all
No, you look better.
Hey! That's
Wait,
alright.
I thought you look better.
I didn't look better at first.
No, you look intoxicated.
Hey guys.
Miss me.
All right.
Everyone missed you, team. Oh God. Are you ready for tonight? So how many drinks have you had since you've been here? How many? Anyways, I missed you guys. I haven't vlogged in a long
Penthouse
time.
suite, guys. Penthouses.
Do you like the penthouse life?
I love the penthouse life. I was born for the penthouse life.
We haven't gotten into any scandals since we've been here. Remember how in DC, like we
This
haven't
person's
gotten.
foyer is open.
Well, the thing is, like we.
Okay, we're here to celebrate Julie's birthday today and Christine. Woo! I just want to give a toast to the birthday girl, Julianne. I love you so much. With all my heart, you're like the best little sister. Although you can't be anointed as hell, I really love you. Like, I love you to death. And you have grown into a beautiful young woman. And Christine, since I've known you, it's been amazing. I really cherish our friendship. You are a beautiful human being. I love you to death. I really hope that your birthday has turned out magnificent. And I love you. Happy 21st, you guys.
Say that again, please.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, guys.
They knew about this?
Huh?
They all knew about this?
That's why we all came here. Yeah.
You guys knew about this?
She just realized. So they just realized that we were here for. Yeah, we've been trying to get you guys here all day. We kept, our reservation was 6:30, and we kept calling to push it back. No edit. Hey guys,
Man.
day 2 at the pool. Bathing suit of the day.
Yes, bathing suit there.
Can we see your top? You guys don't have that.
You don't. God gave me.
Bathing suit of the day.
Oh, we didn't take
Orange
a picture.
top today,
We didn't
guys.
take a picture.
Oh yeah. Well, let's take a picture of the pool. We don't have any pool shots on Facebook yet.
Hey guys.
Ready to go.
Are we ready? Yeah.
Ready? Ready?
Yes.
You ready, Heifer?
Yeah.
Why my wallet so thick? Like I got money in here. Hi guys. Oh, guess what? I got a Starbucks gift card that is gonna give me. Give me. Give me. Let's go.
Jen, you gotta give me Chris's number then.
Where do you get all these cover-ups?
Oh, Goodwill.
Oh wow.
Yeah, girl.
I don't like you.
I was gonna wear. Oh no, you're not wearing.
No, I wanted to. I like these ones. So you feel rich. Like rich.
You look rich.
Not just rich, like rich. So.
You look rich.
She lost her wallet.
Yeah.
So let's get that on camera.
We're going on the hunt right
I'm
now.
about to look for it. Pray for me, guys. I need to turn the fuck up. If I don't find my wallet, well, I'm still gonna turn the fuck up anyways. I am in Vegas. I will not let this go to a waste. This is my first time here, people. Fuck the wallet. Well, not really. I need my ID so I can get back to it. But yeah.
You're gonna be stuck here.
But
I will not wait for you. Let's go.
Stuff here.
Let's open
Come on,
the door.
guys,
Let's
let's
open
go.
the door.
We didn't record our
That's
video.
scary.
Where's Julie? Is she coming? No.
I don't have a key. Okay, so we're going to the pool party that's with our hotel. Wet Republic. You said I need Jesus?
Yeah, they're like waiting.
They were waiting.
It's vintage. Vintage. Cecilia. My mom made it. I don't know what she was doing wearing this.
You counting money like a boss, huh?
What you say?
Like a boss. Counting money, because we got that dough.
Goodbye. Goodbye, too. I'm done.
We done bought a drink, got bought champagne, because we got that dough. Oh my god, we should do that tonight. Like, we like buy drinks.
Do what?
Like buy a bottle of drink and now we like do not buy drinks from the bar. We buy bottles because we got that dough, y'all. We got that money. We got that money. Woo! Look at that.
You're done. You're done.
So last night we went to the Sugar Factory for surprise dinner, and then
Where's the pool?
Julie and I. Well, I didn't feel good last night, so I stayed in. Julie passed out, so both of us were in. And yeah, last night was kind of a fail for everyone. Did the girls leave? Okay. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Hi guys, we're at the pool doing ratchet things with our ratchet friends and our Asian friends because we're hanging out with our friends from the Ming Dynasty.
Literally.
Which nigga should? Oh.
Swim team!
Oh.
Anyways, so yeah, we're vlogging. You don't want to be in the vlog, get out of my peripheral. Thanks! Huh?
Hey guys, what's up? Okay. Hey guys, so I lost my wallet, but I'm still making the best of it, not the best of it. Anyway, so like we're here at the pool. I forgot to change my swimsuit, so I have on jeans and a normal high-low top, which is not cool, but whatever. Here's everyone having fun. It is Christine.
I need my beer. I need 2 more beers.
Oh, there's Jennifer, Nika, that's Amber. Wait, what are we doing tonight?
I advise everyone.
If it's not Black Adonis' birthday, I'm not interested.
Okay, so guys, I don't know what the fuck is going on, but they're doing something over there. But whatever.
I think that all the
it's fun time.
Everyone should take a bottle and drink it tonight.
I need a tequila myself. I need to get a Patron.
That's what I mean.
Okay, so this guy who's like sitting way over there has been like staring at us all day. Like, what are you doing? Are you taking notes or what? I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna try to get his face.
And hey guys, so we're at the Aria Hotel, and I have my pina colada here. I just finished it, so yeah.
Jen!
Why aren't you here?
Jen! Could you just get 1 for me instead of 2? Yeah, I know. It takes her like 10,000 years. 10,000 years. Guys, we have fans.
So we have fans here.
Yeah.
We have a white Adonis and a black Adonis.
Should I talk?
And oh yeah. Come back.
Get it, Kristen. Woo!
That's my intro.
Come back here.
It's just so easy.
Tell the camera. We're gonna film it when you're over there. So tell the camera your mission.
No, guys, I don't like pressure. That's pressure.
Okay,
You
so
know I don't like pressure. Okay, stop. Look at me. Look at me.
look at you, huh? What does that mean?
If you stare me in the face, she's mad. That's her look like, bitch, you ain't even break my eyeballs looking at you. Bitch, you only peripheral vision right now.
Anyways,
Julie, come
all
here.
talk, no walk, but okay.
Okay. Oh, then okay. Well,
Huh?
I just don't want to talk so much.
Finally, Jen is in the pool.
Jen, I need words of
You know what? She didn't even touch the water, so I thought that she was secretly afraid of water and she didn't want to embarrass herself in front of us. But
Are you serious?
I guess she doesn't melt.
Do it.
I mean, if I've been in Vegas all this long and I haven't
I'm ready
melted.
to do it. Is that fair?
Julie, come get in the camera. Hey, Jen. Film Jen. Jen, say something to the camera. You never talk to anybody.
I do talk to
No, you
people.
don't.
I
Say
do.
hi.
Hi.
We're all together. It's been like a while since everybody's been together.
I know it has.
So like we're like having fun. Jen and I, we forgot to change to a swimsuit. We had like other things to do.
Well, no, it's a complicated situation.
It is a
I didn't have a bottom.
Oh, for real?
I didn't have a
So you
bottom.
remembered? I did not
I have
remember.
a top.
Well, you could have just worn like your shorts right there. You have a shorts.
My bottom.
Can I turn it on? What this? I like that.
Anywho, so like we're all here together.
Hi,
There's
guys.
Julie.
You know what?
Birthday girl.
It's either T's not here and he's here, or he's here and T's not here.
Hi guys. I love you guys.
Passe, drop that in. Pass it in. This is the sisters.
I love you.
Woo! Amber, get it,
That's
girl.
my best friend, guys.
Amber.
Amber, say hi to the camera.
All right, so I'm making an announcement. I'm going into.
You're going in the pool?
No, I'm going into solitude, confinement.
Why?
Either that or the convent, whichever one. There's no one on this earth for me. Nobody wants me. Nobody wants me.
Hi guys.
You're not gonna
This
join
is
the
me and my
convent.
baby mama.
You know why you're not gonna
Is
join the
everyone
convent?
here? Finally, everyone's here.
You know why you're not gonna join the convent?
Why? Because I sin. I'm a sinner.
Are you ready to hear the answer? Kiss the dog chocolate.
Hey guys!
Me and my baby mama.
I wasn't done describing
Look at the ring I put on her finger.
You know what? I need G-rated footage.
Keep the
I don't
ring
think I
put on
have
her
any.
finger.
Okay.
We're in Vegas.
Boom.
We don't do G.
Yeah, that's real life. That's real life. A couple of carrots.
Just kidding. G-Day, I love you. G-Day, I hope you watch this vlog. Aww.
Forget her.
Nobody loves me. Yeah, we'll edit that out. I hope there's enough footage for all you guys to enjoy our vlog because
None of this can be on the vlog. Sorry. Oh, we're not allowed to be here.
If you like it.
they got a brain for you.
Yes.
What were you drinking?
A strawberry daiquiri. Is my eye still watering?
Let me see.
Does brain freeze affect your eyes? I thought it was just like.
No, it's. I've never had a
Brain freeze.
suck it down quick.
Keep drinking. Drink it really quick. Drink it really quick.
And
Big gulps.
swallow.
No, keep going. Keep going. Can't stop. She's finishing her drink, by the way.
That's fine. You're a heifer. Yeah, I know, right?
I have never had a brain freeze before. I'm trying to Mickey baby, Iffy baby. Yours and only Jennifer. You see, like, Amber is knocked the fuck out.
Girl.
Amber is sleeping.
Because she
she's
drank all that thing by
Yeah.
herself.
Okay, so like we went to get something. We went to La Cantina. I don't know where we went,
Yeah,
but
La
we went
Cantina.
somewhere. We got these like bong like drinks, whatever, and she got an extra shot of tequila. And now she's passed the fuck out.
Really?
What is she? The bitch is gone. She drank an extra shot of that shit, and she is gone. She is gone, y'all. She is gone. Oh, she woke shit.
Do you hear T commentary? Oh my god.
She woke, y'all. She ain't gone no more. She's back, y'all. She is back. Anyway, so like we're just here chilling, and we're waiting for Christine. She's making a connection.
Let me vlog that.
She's gonna vlog Christine.
A little bit. There's Christine Mackin on Sal. He's Italian from Brooklyn. Remember, kids, put on your suntan lotion, even though you're black. What's so funny, Jess?
It's not me. It's this. Oh my god.
That's what I was saying, yeah. I'm gonna put that on my feet. Remember, kids, put on your suntan lotion.
Yes. Grease. Yeah, give me some of that grease.
Oh, is that suntan lotion too? Yeah. Let me see it. I like the spray one.
It's really good. I read it online. It's like
I like it.
For real?
Get in that action.
Seriously? Oh.
Remember, guys, suntan lotion.
We smell like
No one wants to crack.
no cracks, no burns. Hey guys, I tried to switch to my other camera, but yeah. We went to go explore. We came to this mall. Now we're eating dinner before we get ready to go out. Cheeseburger, Las Vegas.
Plan B sandwiches. Plan B.
Wait, is that real? What does that
Plan
mean?
B.
What does that mean?
Means if you get pregnant, you come here and it'll take away your pregnancy.
Oh my god. Everyone's hungry.
Anyway, guys, this is my last night, and I plan to.
Some fries and
It's gonna be a good night. Hopefully, I get arrested and shot by my cop.
What? Wait, what?
The macho nacho burger.
Let's revisit that right now.
Nacho. And then she was like, "What was that guy's name?" And you're like, "You pissed in my patty."
Rashad. Is that
Tyrone.
Rashad.
Davante.
Trust me, I edited that video many times over.
Rashad, you pissed in my patty.
I'll show you. It's like Mexican candy, but it's like salty, limey.
Oh, it's the upcharge here. Yeah. I would have French fries.
It gets all foamy and yummy.
Okay. Is that good enough? Alright. I think that's
Can I get the
it tastes like
the Royal Almini cheeseburger? It comes with fries, right?
So you have to add it. Sweet potato fries at regular.
Oh,
Is it good?
Yeah. Good.
I cannot believe you just did that. I haven't even done today. You could do it. I need to fix that.
Wait, what? Is your password a pattern?
Yeah, like it's a pattern. I should just figure it out. I just did it once. The guys from last night did too.
It's so easy. It's just like.
Wait, look, what is it? 'Cause I saw someone do it on your phone yesterday.
So easy.
You should just see.
Wait, that's not it.
How long for the chicken tenders?
Oh.
Last night, 5 minutes ago, there was a party in Singapore there. We just came out from Chili right
60? Oh, Jesus. This is gonna be so good.
Oh, you sure?
It's more dramatic in the beer.
Alright, look. We was having a couple little problems up here. Had to get my bag and shit straight. But you know what I mean? We ain't worried. We gonna party all night. This motherfucker, we ready now. I said if the South is in this motherfucker, make some goddamn noise. If the West Coast is in this motherfucker, make some goddamn noise. If the East Coast is in this bitch, make some goddamn noise. Let's go. Let's go.
I came up from Yolina. My niggas alright with Yolina. I got killed right now, Yolina. Wanna watch the Yolina. Got a really long crib in Yolina. Hey, that monster truck, $6 for so big, can't even know it. Don't like snakes, keep a grab cut so low, can't even know it. Sip time period, little high club, no, we don't do more. Same PJ, no rules that me, hoes don't need more.
Nigga try me, that's a dead ass pussy. Since y'all motherfuckers on grind to the back, tell you the truth, I don't care who's looking. All I know is I love my bitch. That pussy feel just like heaven on earth. 6 feet deep, dick shoveling in the dirt. R.I.P. Rest that pussy. Like that shit, then rest that shit. We gon' get so slow.
Who in here with that crew tonight? If you in here with your crew, put your goddamn hands up. Now help me out. Say what?
Now look at us.
Hey!
All my niggas with bitches full. All my niggas with bitches full. All my niggas with bitches full.
If it's your birthday, if you from out of town, ladies, if you single, fellas, if you getting fucked up, put your motherfucking hands up.
Hey guys, so we are on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, day 4 Vegas, and it is pouring down rain, unfortunately.
We are making the best of a bad situation.
Yes, I have no voice, but Christine's gone. She has to go back to reality. Doctor stuff starts on Monday. And we're gonna go shopping. No pool party right now because it's raining. We're gonna go shop. It's our last day. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of sad. It's our last day. It's our last day. Okay, let's zoom in on this girl with her really nice shoes and outfit.
Yeah, she looks for himself.
She looks disgusting, my god.
Okay, guys, let's stop by the MGM so the guy can see us and know that we look sick.
I want to get those.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Come over here.
Oh god. Oh, okay. Okay.
There you go. I heard you. Not because I was watching you. I think you did notice it.
Oh god.
What are you doing with that flip camera? Hello there.
I'm recording myself. I'm a YouTuber. We do a prayer over my mouth. Let's hope that I don't get sick. Is that strong? It was good. Where? As long as he looked good, it didn't matter.
You have to stop that.
Yeah. Crazy times in Vegas, guys.
Yeah, it's like I'm at the club now, basically, so you can see what it looks like.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys at the mall. Bye.
like an old people cup.
This one? Yeah. So we're at Fat Tuesdays at our hotel. And they have all these drinks, daiquiris and stuff, and all these flavors. And Nikkei got the yard dog. I'm gonna get this one too. Thank you. They're really good. I'm gonna get the pina colada. Nikkei, what did you get?
I got strawberry.
Basic. Thank you. It's 151 in it. I'm scared.
Next time, right?
Are you ready?
I'm not ready. I'm not ready for it.
I'm ready. I see you. Julie, look at your face.
Beat for the guys?
Yeah.
Yes. They should have never let the docs into Vegas. Oh, that's strong.
Oh, damn.
This is the longest straw I've ever seen in my life. It's not even natural. Do you know what you want?
Pina colada. I want the same thing, pina colada. Oh, okay.
Real pimps.
Is that cream juice?
No. Next time. It's eye candy and eclectic lemonade.
Okay. There's mine, pina colada. Thank you.
No change.
Thank you.
Take this somewhere else. Underground.
It's very strong. Wait, we take a picture of all our cups.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're so perfect.
Put them on this thing. Wait, right here, right here.
These are good. Hey guys, so we're at Top Shop at Freedom Mall. Freedom Top Shop. Still enjoying my drink. Ooh, sale. This is Top Shop. This is my first time in Top Shop.
Aww. Top Shop is everything.
It is.
Top Shop New York.
It's amazing in here. Well, I'm gonna shop. I didn't show you guys my outfit of my bikini of the day, but I'm wearing my bikini and my cover up. My purse won't stay closed. But I find it very comfortable and not to wear clothes. Just wear your bathing suit and a cover up all day. Very comfortable. Alright, I'm gonna shop. Talk to you later. Bye! Twerk it. Work that flip flop, twerk it. Oh. Oh god. Alright, stop vlogging for now. Embarrass my life. Hey guys. So we're getting ready to go out. And I'm so tired. I've been laying down. We're getting ready. Nikkei's getting ready. I'm ready. And I went back into bed. Because I'm tired. I want to show you guys some of the things I got so far. So I had this bracelet. I got this bracelet with my name on it, custom made. I made it myself. And then I got one for my sister and Inky. Or I got one for my sister, Inky, and then my best friend Erica. So one for Inky. Inky's the Olivia. The thing shifted. I gotta put it together. And then I got one for Erica. Me and Erica had matching one. So I got those little gifts for you guys. Yeah, so I got those gifts for them. And then also we ate at this burger place, and they took pictures of us, and we bought these. I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. We got this. We got a picture. Isn't that picture amazing? Like, look at that. So we got those. I think 4 of us got them. They're like $10 each. So yeah, we got those memories. I know, right? And then, what else did I get? I got, well, me and Inky, we collect magnets every time we travel somewhere. So, I got Las Vegas magnets. They were 99 cents. Las Vegas magnets. Got one for me and one for Inky. And
What else did I get? I think that's it. I didn't buy anything else. We went shopping, but I didn't see anything to buy yet that I wanted that was good. Let's go see what the other girls are doing. Oh, let's look at our view for the nighttime from our hotel. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just simply gorgeous. And we got the Venetian and the Trump Towers down there. And what else is there? Treasure Island. And then we got Planet Hollywood right here. We got Aria up there. We got Monte Carlo over there. The Cosmopolitan over there. And that's all that we can see from over here. And the strip is over there. Over there. And we got our pools down here. And this is the other towers for the Signature. Let me black this thing ain't. Alright. Let's see what the other girls are doing. Ooh, I just saw Skittles. I'm about to steal some of those. Jen, are you dressed?
Squeeze them out and then everybody's so nice.
Are you gonna put that in my face again? No. I'm not drinking Sky. I'm not fucking with Sky. You know why?
Because why?
Because you remember that time I drank it, Nikkei, and I threw up that blood?
Oh my god.
Exactly.
Ew.
Exactly.
Ew, God.
I took a shot.
I wish I vlogged that. She just ran into the wall. Julie's getting ready. We have our mango banana smoothie slushy with 151 in it. 151. Woo! That's good though. What is this? That's Nikkei strawberry. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Tea is not just. Let me see what tea is. Tea?
Oh, bitch.
Oh, here's tea.
Oh, bitch. Hi, guys.
Almost dressed. What's going on here? What's going on there?
Trying to show this.
Huh? What's going on here? Yeah. See what's going on over there.
We have to do an outfit of the day so I can say Top Shelf.
I know, right? Okay, outfit of the night.
Hey guys, so my outfit is dresses from Topshop. I got it today. Topshop. And then watch from Macy's. Gift from the fiance.
Oh, yeah, we don't have those.
And that's it from the Oriental Ramen.
Okay.
Just trying to get fixed up tonight.
I've zoomed in on the contraband.
I need to be gone tonight. That's the plan. Like when I 10 o'clock.
Oh, a.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Are you packed? You're packed though, right?
I'm packed.
Okay,
I mean,
good.
I just need to like. I think I'll be fine. Just dump some things together and
Okay.
just go walk of shame.
Sounds good.
Walk of shame. Woo!
This is what I'm wearing tonight. My romper I got from Macy's. I just wanted. What's on going? Thanks. I got it from Macy's. It's so comfortable. Like really, this is one of those. You know, one of those kind of clothes, outfits you get. You're not gonna have for a long time. It's gonna last you for many things. This is one of those outfits. And then my hair. Oh, I have to make a video on my ombre hair that I did. I'm getting so many compliments on it from like guys, girls, whites, blacks. But yeah, I'll tell you guys how I got this color. It's a video on that. I was gonna film when I was doing it, but you know, it wasn't like I knew what I was doing, so I didn't want to make a video on that. But next time. Alright. That's all for this segment. Christine's gone. Hey Christine. You're not here. And we went to Fat Tuesdays. don't understand why we went to Fat Tuesdays now when you left. We got our slushies. Yeah, we got them. Got refills. And now it's 10:30. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I don't know what I'm talking about. See you guys later.
So much shade right now on you.
Exactly. Good job, Ife. You can be my publicist.
Okay, good. Can I be the face of your line?
Absolutely.
What's going on, guys? Jennifer's fucked up. It's about to be a birthday. She's fucked up. She's getting hot from random people. Ife's laughing hysterical. I don't know what the fuck is funny, but she's laughing.
Wait, I don't like this.
There's my girl, Nika. Nika is my girl. Seriously, Nika is fabulous, guys. I know I'm a little I'm not little, I'm fucking tipsy, but I love this girl.
Space on here, so we have extra too.
That's good. We need all we can get. I feel like tonight is the night. Seriously. There's my boo. Oh, sexy in shimmy dress. Hey,
shimmy.
You know what's weird? Everyone always picks Nika, for real. So like Nika is a...
She's vlogging with us.
I'm vlogging, I'm talking. I need to be gone, guys. Like, I've been here since Friday. I have not turned up. Seriously, you guys know I lost my wallet, but I'm still leaving. I canceled my shit, that's fine. I still need to be turned up, so yeah. Let's look at the females. Woo! Look at them. Ife, Nika. Rock the runway, girl. Woo!
I know, right?
Nika, Julie, Naomi, whatever she is tonight. Asking you, do you want tickets to shows? Do you want tickets? They're like in your faces, guys. Like they come on, they walk to you. Do you want tickets to the show? You're like, no, thank you. You're trying to be nice. Like, get the fuck away from my face. But they come in your face. They come and talk to you. Would you like a ticket for the show? You're like, get the fuck away from me. No, thank you.
Hey guys, we forgot the cupcakes. So Christine,
Alright, guys.
did you eat your cupcake?
No, I haven't eaten it yet.
Okay. Yeah, we forgot to show our cupcakes.
11:30 is when my
Which
bus
sucks.
leaves.
But yeah, Christine, we got cupcakes and stuff, but we forgot to bring them out because me and Nikki forgot. Here, I'm gonna eat your cupcake for you, Christine. Okay? Yeah. And it was time for us to check out. It's our last day. What time is it? 10.
Got some of these.
And today?
I did. I really
Enjoying your
enjoyed
birthday cupcake?
Yeah.
Very late though.
No, very late for them.
Okay.
Right on time for me. Thank you, you guys.
Jen is leaving. This is sad. Your flight's at 12?
12:55.
Okay, they need to leave now. Tell me how the security line is.